Today is August 23rd, and it's currently 2:28 p.m. Eastern Time. This is the trading platform for Thinkorswim, and I'm currently looking at the daily chart for Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. And as of the time of this recording, the stock is trading at $24.75, and overall it's up 74 cents for the day. So quickly looking at this chart at the daily time frame, what I did was I identified the local support resistance levels, and what I'll do is I'll just mark it up right now. And the first level I identified was 26.25. The second level that I identified was 21.15. Okay, so the reason I identified these levels here is because if I zoom out to the monthly time frame, we can see that price has been ranging inside these two levels since this stock started trading back in September of 2020. So aside from these large candlesticks, so each candlestick represents a month, but since this drop here in February, price has been ranging between the two levels since for the past 6 months now. So this to me is a valid resistance and support level. So if I toggle down to a weekly time frame, this is just a clearer representation of what I'm seeing. And if this does continue going into the end of the year, I think it's just going to range and maybe gradually grind up. But just to add a little bit more to this, what I did was I drew a channel, right? So if we're drawing a channel this way, like that. So when price came down here, it landed at the new or the current support level here, but it dipped below it, but this channel, the bottom channel, held support. So there's two support levels here, and up until July of this year, this is still a valid support level because it's slowly riding up, not parallel with this support resistance level. So the trend, I believe, would still continue higher towards the upside unless something significant is announced regarding this company. But I think the overall trend is going to go higher. But there is an area of interest that I would be cautious about, and that would be right over here, like in September, like around this area, because if I drop down to the daily time frame, price, right? So let me just change this color. Price, as it's approaching, it's going to be going against this resistance level. So if price continues respecting this level, there's a probability that this could prevent the stock from going higher. So it might come right back down to this level right here, back to this bottom channel. So this area is going to be I think a difficult time for the price to get over, because here it tried to, but was quickly squashed. The only thing that's going for it at this point is that unlike what happened here, this top channel is much closer to this to the resistance level, whereas if the breakout was to occur over here, there's enough room up here for price to keep going. So that's the only difference. But leading into September 24th, or even around between this area, I would be cautious about the price, because price could, go sideways and struggle to get above it, and then eventually stay above it. So if it does get above it, then again, now this level has to prove how strong the support level is, as equally as strong as it was shown to be resistance. So yeah, I mean, overall, I think it's on the right track. It's just that this is an important time right here, because this is like the crossroads for price. So as long as price stays above this level right here of $26, then a squeeze down would be averted, right? Because if price continued ranging but isn't able to get above this $26 level, then it's just going to keep ranging. But then this support level, it will be squeezing against this resistance level, right? So then price is gonna get tighter and tighter and tighter, and then it's either gonna fall down or break out much higher. But this breakout would come much later than it would as if it was happening over here. So that's the assessment for Palantir. It looks like this is going to, at best, play out through January. So yeah, so if something else changes, I'll do another status check and update the recording accordingly. Until then, more to follow.